And welcome to our meteorology segment. Thanks for tuning in. Congratulations on realizing that our channel exists. We're starting out looking at global jet streams. Here is the western portion of planet Earth. And the 250 hectopascal winds, we see extreme jet stream behavior here over the U.S. The jet stream is all over the place. Pure chaos over North America. Here are the surface winds of the western portion of the planet. And this hurricane has moved a little bit to the west from where it was yesterday, a little bit to the north as well. Still not looking like it's going to make landfall anywhere. Let's look at the surface winds of the east. We have a hurricane south of, I'll say a tropical system, a typhoon, whatever you want to call it, south of Japan there. That one's looking actually more organized than the one in the Atlantic. Looking pretty powerful there. And here are the jet streams of the eastern world. Shout out to our viewers from this side of planet Earth. Next, your weather.gov map, we've got some freeze warnings in places like Nevada and Idaho. Also some gale warnings is what those are around Alaska. Shout out to our Alaskan viewers. Here are the lightning data from the NASA GOES lightning mapper. And some pretty extreme lightning here over the central U.S., especially in south central Nebraska. Pretty spectacular display must have happened there. And here's your real-time lightning maps at lightningmaps.org. It's good times. I use it when I hear thunder. lightningmaps.org. Hey, Omaha. You've got some serious lightning to your east. Des Moines, you might be in the crosshairs. Lots of lightning to your north, also Des Moines. Again, when you hear thunder, check it out, lightningmaps.org. It's quite good. Here's where pressure cells currently are. We'll advance us into the European forecast for pressure tomorrow. There's pressure at noon tomorrow. That's noon Eastern Daylight Time, according to the European forecast. Low pressure dominating the South Polar region. Here's your water vapor map for the Americas. And we'll also show you the Pacific Ocean in cloud cover. Check it out, folks. It's the largest body of water in the world. You think mankind is able to heat that up and cool that down? If you do, you're an idiot. You should take a thermodynamics class or literally any physics class. And if you think the planet is hot, I invite you to crack a geology book. The geologic record doesn't lie, but hacks on YouTube and climate scientists and the media and lots of people do lie, or they're just ignoramuses. Either way, they're misrepresenting the planet's climate. Next, looking at the U.S. Doppler Radar. We've got some heavy rains there in southwestern Alaska, as well as southern Alaska. It's all just hanging out there. And we'll zoom in on the lower 48 before we continue on. Quite a bit of rain here in the central part of the U.S. That's radar.weather.gov, by the way, if you're wondering. Here's the cloud layer over the lower 48. And here is the water vapor map. And these systems here in the central part of the U.S., they're going to stagnate here, folks, because, well, there's not a lot of impetus to move them to the east. The jet stream isn't really in full force at the moment. You see this little eddy like this pushing this way. Not a lot of dry, massive air pushing this system. So it's going to hang out. It's going to stagnate. That's the physics. Anyway, here's your recap. There's the U.S. Doppler radar map. Here's the cloud layer. And the most insightful map should be the water vapor. There it is. Thanks again for tuning in. Please visit the links, support the channel financially, become a member of the SMASH team. Links below the video. Click them. Spend some cash. Open up your cobweb-encrusted wallet and become a member of the SMASH team if you want all kinds of information nobody else gets to see. And signing off, I've been your host, Dan, a.k.a. smAsho. Signing off from the SMASH News Network. Least busted, name it news.